in Social Geography, Chapter 6 Manufacturing Industries. We are going to learn 4 2-mark questions and 1-mark questions. If you completed these 4 2-mark questions, then you can learn extra 2-mark questions. First question: what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials into finished products. What are basic industries? Give example. Basic industries are industries whose products are used as raw materials by other industries. Example: iron and steel industry. Third question: how do industries pollute the environment? Industries cause pollution in several ways: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution from smoke, gases, and chemicals. Water pollution by discharging industrial waste. Soil pollution by dumping harmful solid waste. Noise pollution from machinery and equipment. Fourth question: discuss the steps to be taken to minimize environmental degradation by industry. Treat industrial waste before releasing them. Use pollution control devices. Recycle and reuse water. Adopt cleaner and green technologies. Plantation around industrial areas. Follow environmental laws strictly. 1-mark questions. Seventh question: which is the basic raw material used in the aluminum industry? Answer: bauxite. Eighth question: in iron and steel industry, in what ratio are used iron ore, coking coal, and limestone? Answer: 4 is to 2 is to 1. This is the ratio. Expand OIL, Oil India Limited. 10th question: when was the first successful textile mill established in Mumbai? Answer: 1854. When did power looms come into use in Indian textile industry? Answer: 1900. Expand NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. National Thermal Power Corporation. Which fiber is called the golden fiber? Answer: jute. What is the maximum investment allowed in small scale industries at present? Answer: 1 crore. 15th question. Expand BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Expand TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company. 17th question. Find out which is not related to agro-based industries. And answer: C. Cement. 18th question. In which of the following states is Kalpakkam nuclear power plant located? Answer: Tamil Nadu. 2 mark questions. What factors have led to the concentration of the cotton textile industry in Maharashtra and Gujarat in the early years? Availability of raw cotton, humid climate, ideal for and production, skilled labor, excellent port facilities, large market, good transport network. Second question: what are the factors responsible for most of the jute mills being located in the Hooghly Basin? Availability of raw jute, abundant water supply, cheap labor, Kolkata port for export, good transport and market, coal supply from Rani Ganj. Third question: what are agro-based industries? Give an example. Industries that use agricultural products as raw materials. Example: cotton textile, sugar, jute, dairy. Fourth question: what are mineral based industries? Give an example. Industries that use minerals and metals as raw materials are called material based industries. Example: iron and steel industry, cement industry. Fifth question: write any two advantages from the concentration of iron and steel industries around the Chota Nagpur Plateau region, availability of high grade ore, presence of coal in nearby regions, cheap labor, good railway and roads. Good railway and road. Thank you for watching.